doesn't mean you will not get afraid. Courage means you don't let fear stop you. This word has a lot of significance in various terms. First of all, when we talk about fear and facing fear, it doesn't only comprises of individual facing a situation. It also comprises how the individual faces the situation, how the person overcomes the situation, how the person deals with the situation. We often face in our everyday lives various situations where we need to show courage, where we need power to deal with certain things in our life. We lack that courage sometimes because of the situation, because of the people around, because we give up hope and will. Thus, we need courage at that point of time. Yes, we need courage. We need courage and the fire from within, which shouldn't stop us from achieving what we really want. So, when we talk about courage, it is often divided into physical and moral. Physical courage often lets a person be and fighting a situation, which includes a fire maybe, or helping you from wounds. But often, people having moral character or moral courage is much more valued because they have the power to raise the voice against the poor, the people who are in need, and the people who really deserves that courage. We should never stop and will away and shy away from the courage. তাই রবীন্দ্রনাথ বলেছিলেন, বিপদে মোরে রক্ষা করো, এ নহে মোর প্রার্থনা, বিপদে আমি না যেন করি ভয়.
Hello, my name is Tuhin Basu and right now I am studying in class 12. Today I am asked to speak on the topic courage. You know, it takes a lot of courage to live on this earth, to love someone or some things. And I'm going to explain it my way. Like for example, I can't stop loving somebody and at the same time I can't force that person to love me back. The more I try to forget those things, the more the memories haunt me. But I can't help it, life has to go on. It takes a hell lot of courage to live without the person but with the memories. It takes a lot of courage to love that person but that person is not loving you back. So I can't just end the life there, life has to go on. So it's your choice whether you want to have some courage and live life like a happy human being or live your life like a dead zombie. That's all.
This is Sanjukta Raut here. I would like to share my ideas on boldness. So according to me, boldness is an aspect of one's character. It speaks about the thought process and your response towards a certain situation as a person. I, being a sports person, athlete, had to face a lot of problems and difficulties, but then nothing could stop me because I didn't want to stop. So the most common required boldness is to stand by yourself, to assert your thoughts strongly, and to speak and stand up against the discrimination and the gender bias, be it at home or outside. We need to protect our privacy, and very importantly, we need to stand by a woman in need of courage and help. We have to speak up boldly and courageously at any public gathering against abuse and molestation. Finally, we need to walk boldly with confidence and integrity.
You can choose courage or you can choose comfort, but you can't choose the both. এই কারেজ আর কমফর্ট কথাটা খুব ওতপ্রোতভাবে জড়িত। সাহস এবং স্বস্তি দুটো কোনোদিন একসাথে চলতে পারে না, কারণ সাহস আমরা তখনই দেখাই যখন আমরা আমাদের স্বস্তিমূলক জায়গার বাইরে বেরিয়ে যাই, আমরা আমাদের কমফর্ট জোনের বাইরে বেরিয়ে যাই। আর ঠিক এরকমটাই হয় আমাদের সমাজে। সাহস তখনই দেখানোর প্রয়োজন হয়, সাহস তখনই কোনো মানুষ দেখায় যখন সে সমাজের কোনো জিনিস বা তার নিজের ভেতরে চলছে এমন কোনো জিনিস, সেটার যে নর্মাল গতিধারা আছে, নর্মাল ফ্লো আছে, সেটাকে ভাঙতে চায়। সাহস দেখানোর জন্য উই ক্যান নট ওবিডিয়েন্ট টু দ্য ফ্লো অফ দ্য স্ট্রিম, উই মাস্ট নিড টু অপোজ দ্য স্ট্রিম। সেই মানসিকতাটা রাখাটা খুব প্রয়োজন যদি কেউ সত্যিই সাহস দেখাতে চায়। সাহস দেখানোর আগে আমাদের সমাজ, আমাদের পারিপার্শ্বিক পরিবেশ আমাদের অনেকটাই পিছনে সরিয়ে আনার চেষ্টা করে, কিন্তু সাহস দেখিয়ে নেওয়ার পরে তারাই আমাদের ফলো করে, কারণ আমরা সকলেই জানি ফরচুন ফেভার্স দ্য ব্রেভ। তো আমরা একটা কথা সকলেই ছোটোবেলায় শিখেছিলাম, ইট ইজ বি ওবিডিয়েন্ট টু দ্য স্ট্রিম, বাট ইফ ইউ রিয়েলি ওয়ান্ট টু ক্রিয়েট ইউর ওন স্ট্রিম, বি কারেজাস, বি ব্রেভ। সাহসের ধারণা হয়তো এটাই।
Hello everyone, I am Sanjana Datta. I am a student presently studying in class 11. I am here today to say a few words on courage. Well, according to me, courage is the ability to control your fear in a dangerous or difficult situation. It is a highly prized virtue, and many famous people have given examples of courage from time to time. Nelson Mandela once said, I learned that courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Indeed, courage is something that everybody wants, an attribute of a good character that makes us worthy of respect. Feeling fear, yet choosing to act, is an example of being courageous. We feel fear. It is natural for humans to feel fear. But he who conquers his fear and dares to move forward is truly courageous. Another thing that requires immense courage is following your heart. It is very easy to go with the flow and agree to what everybody else believes. But following what you believe is really courageous. We all tend to give away. We all tend to lean in to what others think. There are very few who can stand by their decisions till the end and defend it. Persevering in the face of adversity is another example of courage. It might have been the time was very difficult and everything seemed dark, but still, if you could hold your head high and move forward, you have persevered and you have been courageous. The most important example of being courageous is standing up for what is right. Many people tend to overlook the darkness and the evil that lurks out there. Nobody tries to defend. Nobody stands up. If you have stood up for something that was wrong, and if you have protested, my friend, you are really courageous and you deserve appreciation.
Bravery is a very short word, but what comes to our mind when we hear that? It feels like a battlefield where a warrior kills many persons, because all in our history books it portrayed like that. There was a brave king or there was a brave soldier, etc. But to me, bravery is not just restricted to that. I think bravery is capability of taking risk. If there is no risk, there is no bravery. It can be anything. A famous writer, J.K. Rowling, said that bravery always means show off. But I think it's not always true, because if a person spends his 90% of his salary to buy a car, then it's also a bravery, because it's taking risks according to me. But it's show off. I think we should use our bravery when it's actually needed.